more. The camp of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now, a Drew Sabre will be a transfer season.
Sure.
Football, you stages. Transfer new year. Now pre-season aba. Within the pre-season transfers, now for you the season proper near the start of the season. You boko near do the middle of the season. Now for you baby do the business end of the season. Baby you kuru near boho adiakum. Baby you join there. The stage transfers. Now transfers the penny. Akoma 87% of your transfer. You the transfer stories at the bro back to back.
Fantastic.
Now, first of all, I was Asante Kotoko here. I was young and for some way and for Entuja. Match with the Tuja say Morifing Donzo, Asante Kotoko striker. Kabiru Mame Morifing Donzo, I will page in a soon. Or a Guinean national. Guinean national. And waba ebe rem ebe siya kaindiama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. One season. And so far. A branch of the thing at the Morifing Donzo. One of Eddie Ewo Asante Kotoko. One 18 one season. Morifing first season of Japan. Fasa and Klikesa. He had something that should and could have propelled him. Kotoko has a full first leg across post stadium penalty near not Donzo Morifing. Now I predominantly left. But down on the right and a converted kick, at the twat. Now you didn't him say having scored in the derby in the biggest game out of the Ghana Premier League calendar. I remember Donzo form number a back akra and a tekoye. It's Donzo Morifing, a player supporters in the baby. I dream say a branch no modemano for me say and pay for manako. I was Morifing Donzo. Mpanyifo ankasa so trust ye evaluation kakra no ni sika sam na e wo soro pa metima say Donzo the highest paid player e was Asante Kotoko. Now he could be the highest paid player in the Ghana Premier League.
Wow.
He is into thousands of US dollars. Thousands of US dollars. And wajeno busumi bia. Mpanyifo so trust ye analysis say Donzo sika na oje no vis-a-vis performance no de bae no asa otimi na afani agreement nanka terminate a enkeye, but decision has not been reached on Morifing Donzo. Na me catch you say Donzo dia no obi amfa asteris enfanto ho.
Yeah.
Kai say Donzo sign a 2-year contract with Kotoko Japan. Wabo baako. O say about this season you are yanim so basa ko free.
Yes.
Enti Kotoko entua ne ka sika na ogera me say or the highest paid player of the club no. Omuntuama Donzo Morifing. No one mona na season on go free. Ana Kotoko enyinani. Na omumpa agreement bi ne mfine. Donzo contract no. Yemfa kwa be so a severe the contract ye betwam. Ye be ne den na obi ankoboka na branch na enko ba bi foforo. This is where the conversation of the penny ejina. Ghana Premier League club. Actually, in fact, make us a Ghana Premier League clubs be. Hey, interested say, omunya Donzo Morifing. Wamo ebe fan na Asante Kotoko. Eh, bianke da sorry, china no pa. Yase Kotoko part ways with Morifing Donzo na say Kotoko terminate here. Metmaka say 2 Ghanaian clubs will rush for the service of Donzo Morifing. 2 Ghanaian clubs almost scouting report. I near boss say they believe Donzo is a top-notch player. But they also believe that Kotoko level no Kotoko pressure na the first season I'm fan. It's given the opportunity. One of them are ready to negotiate his salary down to a very, very minimum amount.
Okay.
But they are already so bet you are competitive. If onya Donzo Morifing on a free year, obet you are competitive afa abrante did Morifing Donzo.
Yes, sir.
Aduana Football Club, Eka clubs me no me bo mudi. Aduana Football Club.
Wow.
Aduana for the believe say sɛ Morifing Donzo enya a quiet atmosphere, quiet environment, at the Domana Najmambedu Park, he would deliver the goods for Asante for Aduana Football Club.
Okay.
They believe that based on their Donzo and San Oba Kurimuno, on a bad player, but he had a terrible season. And the entire Kotoko machinery did not click. Until Aduana Football Club or Doma, one of them decided to pay Donzo Morifing if he is free. Among your minds, Omani Kotoko be dim come as a two player, there be. Bambanya branch free of the penyon befa. Agency no at the almost a report a comma Mediama Sporting Club say Donzo no. Our Africa Interclub competition or MAC or it is a Mediama call Africa. No man experienced strikers are or tasty action Africa numda. Donzo are available our market so assuming se Kotoko ebe terminating the contract now. My catch say dear eniahu and dear aswati ni di one dance here. Dear minim dear matiti and se Kotoko a pentem a cancel contract. Emranche be da Kotoko ase. No maji 3 months compensation, 6 months compensation, 5 months compensation. Adia chepe they will be unveiled somewhere. Adia chepe be pomun toma e baby. Under Dr. Prosper Nete Ogum and then Nana Pinkra Kwesiwa, Kotoko e release a branch edited Enoch Morrison. We release Morrison, I'm 4 days time. And Enoch Morrison go Mahia. A pan on Toma e Kenya. Our best player of Kenyan League. And they go Mahia for no, while Bobby Jaho, or Zadne Niachrim, ya Okopim, is it Ahela, and a branch at Equacopim. 80 no kwasem se penyi Kotoko enya careful na ye twam no maka wasem ade a chew abisha pesa me jam
Richard Pepe surrender for lama
Kabiru mami Seidu Saana ntonzo aboa so Seidu Saana ntonzo aboa so Esejo Buske no Seidu Saana Aduana Football Club na Seidu Saana esi akan ade mabusia.
Okay.
Last season players are as central midfielders. One of them to be as holding midfielders account. One more performing our Ghana Premier League no. A branch of the Seidu Saana of Japan or Kamubi.
Okay.
A branch away na Aduana and Asante Kotoko. Supporters no move free Abuasono. A buy on support your Moka.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Accident because see you. Me catch us sa issue ne see na it had nothing to do with Kotoko any ebi obi na akwa attack o mo da bi na ye unfortunate accident man chere te pragem na omo yifa honam say sprinter driver na say na bufu so wan sheda o odi ekotwi efa omo so Seidu Saana a player osi akan edema Aduana Football Club. Seidu Saana no buzapanyi met maka cho say the contract with Aduana Stars no contract no aba awiye.
Oh, okay.
Or a free agent. Seidu Saana so person boko to kono nya na obi onim ni bia nim. Say Seidu Saana Kotoko na za hatfolk onya obebo. Yeah, because a branch and 23 years of age. When you're 23 on 7th day of July. That's a birthday by Inche. And that's one who share birthday. 7th July. And I said to Sana a celebrity the birthday. No. 80 what did 23 years. Akwadana ewo interest so nya Kotoko one scouting team of Japan recruitment. Adiama Asante Kotoko no. One answer but to a conclusion say a player and a caliber. It is a Seidu Saana Kotoko. Enyana our middle ha. Ebeboa pop.
Fantastic.
Aduana falling give it up. Amugu so dinko. In fact, report be by January transfer window. Say Aduana I extend the contract. Pay my checks. Aduana end me I extend the contract as at that time.
Wow.
Obaka January transfer window no. Aduana ebefa uze bafada uze Bafada one no see academy team here wo adwuso mu see aka wo KC Park Future Stars e ho no mbefa Bafada e ko he no wa hwe Aduana coach no buy no busepanyi auto midfielders pa
yeah
central midfield one branch ejina no e ho na Shaukan epia edi free e ho na branch de din ade Samuel du epia edi free opa but a branch did Seidu Saana ne contract Aduana busepanyi abawiye ko afri Kotoko mo ye recruitment no akọ the camp of Seidu Saana and initial common of Japan.
Wow.
In fact, Seidu Saana move no has a credit to talk has a need to talk of course, and the Ghana will be a bobo be a medium sporting club for no. Oh yeah, the young corner age because of the Africa no, it be convincing players no, and also o luzu midfielders makacho say a branch of the thing at the Fuzi Taylor Quadada.
Yeah.
Then Salim Adams and Amkwansobeko. And they are also looking for midfielders. And a branch of the thing at the Seidu Saana Medium Sporting Club and so be name Asante Kotoko. I had a new year. No pushy ya. Seidu Saana of Aduana Football Club and the contract I was over to my ballroom. Krobia Asante Kotoko.
Fantastic.
But Seidu unya fantastic season na etwa no. Abusha pensa me jump.
Richard Pepe arrest the fella man.
Back to back fellas and my baba no. At the amount. Now mami engram ewo a branch na branch din there. Ghana 40 no buza say is he a Ghanaian? Is he a Ghanaian? Kabiru. Koyong Apostles na mami Cloud shooting. Cloud shooting. You didn't know. Your friend Cloud shooting.
What you today?
And now you're doing one. Cloud shooting of Japan. A branch. Or when it's him a war, Nasuya. Asante Kotoko Hatifuk. Bibiani Gold Stars. This time, Enyami Diema. Kotoko Hatifuk. Bibiani Gold Stars. Ubia Epe Cloud shooting. Na if any shootings of Japan on your striker or your typical center back. A branch in center back. I will pia Eddie free a chili. Last season about 3 goals and a dema team na the thing at the young apostles no. Cloud shooting. Asante Kotoko makacho say one eluzu center backs by Japan.
Yes.
Kotoko eluzu center backs. Samba gone. Henryansu gone. A branch the ding a day Ablo Joseph gone.
Wow.
Three no. Ura Hatsefoka has eluzu center backs of Japan. A branch the ding a day Kelvin or SB. The contract with Hatsefoka a baby here. The contract with Hatsefoka a baby here.
Okay.
What do I need them? I Hatsefoka na. On before can find our former player, former national under 20 and 23 center back, David Opafrani. David Opafrani contract with Hatsefoka a baby here.
Okay.
Omo center backs. It is a mechanical has a center backer. Premise ni Kotoko a center backer. Premise ni Matisse Bibiani Gold Stars and young apostles boy and did the Cloud shooting one epeno. Abjapani no kwasem ne say a branch no are willing to move on.
Fantastic.
And komodie no ni age no e ma Kotoko for no any ebre more.
Okay.
Now no be Busan Pepe. Kotoko no one recruitment bondi kire and am say hey. The way recruitment o Madrid minimum di ba no jo mo recruitment. And Asante Kotoko set up, they say, we are not expecting CEO again. We have a change, the board chair and the executive chairman, or any juma. Etinya dia change CEO appointment to be say, see there be, we are not waiting for any appointment. CEO sembia any appointment to be any. And Kotoko no Stanley. I'm sure Baba did 2 days on cry. No touch it down, Kumasi. So a bononi coach or Baba head coach, director of football. Se coach ne body a obey director of football no o ma hyase a omo edi nkomo abranche de tin e de shooting na abuzapanyi woni say shooting no oje GPL player of the month enye ni team ni player of the month o Ghana Premier League ni ebo ni nya kabi mi na se pa eti na ya month be ya March. Wow. Ghana Premier League player of the month for the month of March no I abranche de tin e de Claude shooting Bote Claude shooting Bote one energy Ghana Premier League player of the month award no.
Wow.
Asante Kotoko ene timani dide Bibiani Gold Stars and a Continental Club Masters Accra to folk one more asanso akushia ewo Claude shooting and so enwa abuzapanyi eno e kakra yemetimi ade ama oni wahefo ne se Cloud ni dini denka otipaase ase obi ade Cloud edi kaza go French ni anamboa or the shooting and the shooting there nim say the guy name no be kan di no wa
ala o de ko Nigeria shooting
and a bote esoso
no I agree
Cloud shooting bote abusu akwada no we 21 years me catch say ni age no ema Kotoko ni ko mo because Kotoko age category na one happening age no masati am mo abrantere edem and young apostles are ready to sell some of the players to finance or transfers and in the season said in Yomabeko. So we a Cloud shooting body of the pain ne ho ensem and me at the amount me Cloud shooting body and so I'm surprised my jump
papers arrest the fella man
hands of folk see you hands of folk see you emuna eguso a unmotivated has supporters na enya motivation ketu akura o hands of folk omu MD no oguso o motivate no no ya dey on social media no so pa or say the chief supporter of hands of folk is the board chairman Togbe Afede the 16th. The Bible says where your treasure is, that is where your heart is. If the majority shareholder and current bankroller hasn't given up, why do you want to give up? We a heart folk. MD no. And what they some message we dia say o your supporter untimi emma obam emu. Memma wobam emu. Esan say the ordinary sika club no e sika dem panyina bam emu ye. Hearts of folk, I a double appointment double appointment akoso Hearts of folk.
Nice one.
Has Alpha, former Black Stars #1 goalkeeper. Former Black Stars goalkeepers trainer. Richard Olele Kingston.
Wow.
Has assigned as next goalkeepers trainer. So Richard Olele Kingston.
Wow.
Oh no, with my friend Farouk Gazoy. Yeah, Farouk Gazoy. That's a deal. Yeah, Kobo Galatasaray. Na Kabiru ay uni anwo. Ti. Ni friend Farouk Gazoy. Ni dina F4. But Richard Kingston Farouk Gazoy. Olele Kingston. Ay has a folk. New goalkeepers trainer. Has a assistant coach and the coach Aipa.